Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You sign into your Google account and go straight to security. Once there, open two-step verification. You'll be asked to confirm the phone you'll use. This is the first actionable step. Use your primary smartphone for Google prompts or SMS codes so you can receive a test challenge immediately. Make sure device notifications are enabled and keep a secondary phone or email available. Once done, click Get Started and follow the on-screen prompts to register that first verification method. Now you configure the actual second factor and decide why. Google Prompt is fastest, an Authenticator app is more secure offline, a security key is strongest. You choose one, then follow platform steps. If using an Authenticator, open the app, scan the QR code, and copy the generated code into Google to confirm. Also generate and download backup codes, store them off the device, and add a backup phone or email. Once confirmed, make sure each method is labeled so you know which to use later. Finish by signing out and testing a login from another device so you see the actual two-step flow. This verifies everything works. Make sure you've saved backup codes and a recovery phone or email in separate secure locations. This prevents lockout. Review your trusted devices and authorized apps and revoke access for anything unfamiliar. If something goes wrong, use a backup phone or code first. If that fails, start Google's account recovery and provide recent activity details to prove ownership.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.